Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how we can install Telegram desktop application on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So that means it, let's get started. On the latest version of Ubuntu, we get App Center. Using App Center, we can install all the supported Linux application on our Ubuntu operating system. So we are going to install Telegram desktop application using the App Center. Now to open the App Center, here on the dock panel, simply look for App Center. If you don't get App Center on the dock panel, then simply click on this Ubuntu icon and here search for App Center. And open the App Center from the search result. So this is the interface of App Center. Now to install Telegram desktop application, simply here on the search option, search for the Telegram application. From the search result, select Telegram desktop application from Telegram FZ LLC. Then from the drop-down menu, simply select your channel, then click on install button. Now enter your Ubuntu system password to authenticate the installation and click on authenticate button. And wait for the installation process to complete. Once you have installed Telegram desktop application, simply close the App Center. Now click on this Ubuntu icon and look for Telegram desktop application. If you want, you can also pin this shortcut to the dock panel. For that, right click on it, then click on pin to dash. Now the icon will be added to the Ubuntu dock panel. Now simply click on this icon to quickly launch Telegram desktop application on Ubuntu. Now you need to set up the Telegram desktop application. For that, simply click on start messaging and here you will find a QR code. To scan the QR code, simply open Telegram on your phone, then go to settings, device, link desktop device and scan this QR code. And you are ready to use Telegram on Ubuntu operating system. So that's it. This is how you can install Telegram desktop application on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.